Hey guys, Aaron and Shan here from MMT. This is 10 money spots in 10 minutes. Let's go.
Come on, guys.
All right.
How you feeling?
That was really hard to speak and get this done, Shan. Here we go.
Got an elbow in the jaw right now.
Starting with jaw.
And we're working all the way down his right side of his body, jaw to top of the foot.
I'm going to feel so good. Strongest muscle in the body, pound for pound, this muscle. Did you know that?
I did not.
The masseter. Chewing food.
Talking too much shit.
Yeah, a bit of that going on here, isn't there? I can't add to this. My jaw is getting caned. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I dislocated my jaw once.
How?
Footy.
Footy. Never went back on the field, lads. That was the last day.
Quite the experience right now. Oh my gosh.
How long has this been?
Good.
Oh golly gosh.
10 seconds.
Alrighty.
Oh golly gosh.
You feeling alright?
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. She's ramping it up for the last 5 seconds.
Alright, you're done.
Oh, how good's that?
Let's go.
Heck. She's got 5 seconds.
Do I?
No,
it's already
Oh,
started.
it's already started. There's no. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yep. That's a money spot. Pec major, pec minor.
Yeah, do some movements
Oh,
from
it feels
there.
good to move that there. Whoa, that's heaps of curry, Shan. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're
20
there.
seconds.
You're there. Where's my man Spanion? Get him on. Spanion, shout out to Spanion. Hurus.
10 seconds.
Oh my god, this feels incredible. Spanion would love this. Oh.
2, 1. Swish it.
Armpit.
Alrighty.
Oh,
Four
get in there.
fingers.
Get
We're
in
going
there,
up
4
in here.
fingers.
Put your arm up there.
There we go. Oh, you got it.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's good.
Nailing
Shan.
it. Come in here. Come in. Have a look at the hairy armpit.
Look at the hairy pits.
We've got 4 fingers going right in there.
Oh.
The jungle, the tropical rainforest.
Hey, Sean.
Hey, John! Goodness.
Oh, wow. You're good at this, Shan. Seriously.
Thanks, man.
Got the fluffer over here. You see the clock now? Oh, this is so
That's
nice.
it.
I think we should start offering this as an actual offering.
Like a 10
A
minute.
10-minute, just like a
You have
Cairo
10
would do.
spots,
You know,
yeah.
Cairo?
10 spots.
Buy
Yeah, we need to
100
look
pack.
at- alright.
Oh,
So good.
it's good there, Shan. I'm going to play such good golf tomorrow.
Fuck yeah, you are.
Oh.
1.
Bang, what do we got?
Okay.
Oh.
Going iliacus.
Yeah, nice, Shan.
Sinking.
Really tough one to get treated here. This is nice though. It's good, not too bad. Not too bad. I shouldn't have said that. Yeah, so these are money spots. So I probably should talk about money spots. Hey, there's
Yeah, that'd be good.
bang for buck. So spots in the body where you can get great change without having to move too much. You know, you're just straight on the point. You can get really widespread change in the body. Ninja talks about that innate knowing that it's on a spot. You know, it's like a connection between massage therapist and customer, where it's like this knowing that that is a really effective spot that's going to have flow and effect. Oh, she's going for a 5 second 8-finger drag.
2, 1.
Oh, bang. TFL.
Okay, TFL. Move this
Sorry.
arm. Away you go.
Oh, hot. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh.
But yeah, if you're coming in for a treatment and you know a money spot that you need worked on, we can spend literally a minute to 20 minutes on like a money spot. I can just nail it.
Hang on it until the job's done. It's so true, Shan. Nothing worse when you go to get some work done and they've got their set routine of how things work and they spend 1 minute here and then 30 seconds there. It's just like, I want 10 minutes there, you know?
But it's funny how in so many different people, the one money spot can be, it's the same for everyone.
It's universal,
and
isn't
it's
it?
Everyone.
Money back, lowest
everyone.
lower back money spots, like, that's my
Literally.
pain. 3,
Okay. What are we doing next?
One groin, I think. Get the big leg up. Move the agates. Oh, that's good, Shan. She's good at this. Very good, Shan. He was meant to be the coordinator and he's turned into the air conditioner. Oh, look at that. See that sharpening of the elbow? She knew. She knew. She knows the score. Oh, it's good, Shan. I got a bet with my mate tomorrow that if I break 80 at golf, he's going to buy me a new set of irons.
Okay.
So I have to play well.
You do.
I have to. That's down on YouTube right now, Matt. So you better hold your end up of the bargain there. And ITB. Oh.
Okay, on up this way.
Oh, it's good though. It's very good. Oh. She's cranking it.
This is like 100% as well. So not really.
Are you on
For
100%?
No.
Oh, for me, yeah.
You're dying.
Oh no. Oh.
Give him 100% just for a second. To feel the ball.
Oh.
I'm coming out. It's all good.
Hey, Jar. Oh, 20 seconds. That's actually a really therapeutic one though. Like it's horrible, but it's good. Oh, yes. Yeah. Beautiful. 5, 4, 3. Oh yeah, good change. And kneecap. 55 seconds, is it? How have we done that?
Change.
She's been robbed.
I've been robbed. That's going to equate to 50 seconds. Oh, that's good, Shan. So you can really push down towards the table more and then hook up under a little bit so you can't, yeah. Better connection. Probably wouldn't have thought that you could get this area treated with an elbow.
No.
A lot of people have jumper's knee though and pain at the front of their knee tendinopathies and stuff like that. So this can feel really therapeutic for them to get rid of pain receptors and just make the knee function better. It's very therapeutic.
Yeah, and how's the knee on? This is the bad knee.
This is the, well, I don't have any bad knees, but yeah, it's had some trauma. Perineals, Johnny Eels. Bit, yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. So good. We're on the home track now, Shan.
Yeah.
My right side of my body feels incredible. I reckon this could be a segment. Shan's 10 money spots in 10 minutes. Do the whole team.
We could. And we'll do the back as well.
That's it. That feels incredible. Oh.
I reckon we could still find so many more.
Well, yeah, there are a lot of money spots. I reckon there's as
muscles.
many money spots as there are Chinese medicine meridian points. You look at those charts, there's things all over the body, eh?
Very
Get into the perineum, otherwise known as the gooch. Hey, Jar! Mikey, you were so unsuspecting then. Oh, that is so therapeutic, Shan. That might be the best of the day.
Ooh.
And then done, top of the foot, last one. This is one of the most painful spots on the body. I reckon a bit higher up towards that. Yeah. Got it. People playing on along at home, do this on yourself. Push into that point. It's like the pit in between the big toe bone and the second toe bone here. There's like a little gutter. If you push into there, guaranteed it'll be so painful. Oh, try and hold it.
Good.
Try and hold it with me. Go along with me. Come on, push in. That's coming at the bottom of your foot. Oh my God. Oh, yes.
I see that you know your judo.
Democracy manifest. A succulent Chinese meal. Thanks, Leo.
Money spots.
Thanks, Mikey. There you go. 10 money spots, 10 minutes. I feel $1 million.
$1 million. Boo.
Done.
Done.
Done.